This question is talking about polar coordinate system. So let me take this as an example to explain what is a polar coordinate system. You have a pole and you have the polar axis. So point A, which is 1275 degrees. So first of all, you make an angle with this polar axis, turn 75 degrees. And the distance from the pole, which is 12 units. So if OA is 12 units, then point A, the polar coordinate should be 1275 degrees. And now where is point B? Point B is 135 degrees. Therefore, you need to make angle with the polar axis, which is 135 degrees. 135 degrees.